Global Receive Gateway Limited, a consumer traffic cooperative syndicate network, present Cooperative Trading Syndicate Fortress for a €1 million retirement benefit package, Co-op Trader Advocate. Hi, I'm a Co-op Trader Advocate, and I just want to say first and foremost that I have nothing to sell you and I'll never try and sell you anything. Now, in 2.5 years focused trading research, it becomes evident that it's really the wrong approach trying to figure out why financial instruments accumulates and then distributes. Trading or managing financial investments like stocks, commodities, forex and derivatives of thereof should be sort of executed with no directional bias. I just want to explain the ultimate goal. Now, you can basically open a portfolio account with any currency, but preferably it would be British pounds, dollars or euros. And the goal here is basically to double every 50,000 euros that's invested in a year or less. And for every block of 1,000 cooperative traders to have a trading portfolio of 50,000 euros each, plus a retirement benefit pack worth about €1 million in around 18 years or less. Now, as a co-op trader with no directional bias, my top loss is 1,620 pips against my first buy or sell entry. I only trade when there's 50,000 euros in my trading portfolio. Now, a group of 1,000 cooperative traders with a contribution of about €50 each is required per portfolio. Now, if in the course of trading the 50,000 euros is depleted, it's not going to be a huge burden on any one of the cooperative traders. Basically, another €50 each will be easily contributed by the 1,000 members of the cooperative group, so it's not a burden on any one trader. Now, you can easily form your own cooperative trading community with a contribution of just €50 and involve your friends and anyone else who's interested. Now, the group's permanent interest is to basically achieve the ultimate financial freedom of about €1 million in 18 years or less for members to benefit and benefit their loved ones. Okay, so how do we trade with no bias? Well, we basically trade 20 currency pairs at a time, and in every currency pair enter 16 buy and 16 sell positions, and we take profit of the first entry within a currency pair at entry price plus or minus 118 points. Buy entries profit targets are entry price plus 180 points. The sell entry profit targets are entry minus 180 points. If the first entry fails, repeat and the entry every 100 points against the previous entry until 16 buy and 16 sell entries in one currency pair is basically achieved. Exit all open positions within a currency pair at 50% retracement. Why no directional bias trading? Well, with this strategy, you basically don't have to worry, guess, or have a directional bias of where a particular currency pair is going to eventually go. You've made up your mind completely and definitely to take a risk of 1,620 points, and you're ready to lose it all if a currency pair drops or raises 1,620 points without a 50% retracement. Now, the cooperative trading objective is basically a cooperative group of 1,000 traders with a starting portfolio capital of €50,000, and for each member to make an investment of €50 each. Losing only €50 each will not be too much of a burden on any member of the group and can easily contribute another €50 each if needs be. The cooperative trading motives, well, basically the singular motive of a cooperative trading community group is to join as many groups as financial resources can possibly accommodate. So with just €500, for instance, you can join 10 trading cooperative trading communities. And if only one out of the 10 succeeds, you'll have a €50,000 trading portfolio, plus a retirement benefit package worth about €1 million in 18 years or less. While it is possible for a financial instrument to raise or drop 1,620 points without a 50% retracement, it is most unlikely to happen. Even if it happens, the loss will be just €50 among each of the 1,000 cooperative traders, and that's less than €1 a week, really. So, do you still think a currency pair will drop or raise 1,620 points without a 50% retracement? It's like asking if a tsunami can happen in the city of London, in England, in the next 3 years. Although it's possible, it's highly, highly unlikely. For verifiable trading proof, for 4 and 6 months summary of a Forex trading account which validates the asset management sequence table, is available by request by emailing request@forexmegaclub.com. Now I want to introduce you to the harmonic hybrid price rhythm. Now, with just €50, this report's trading approach is basically stacks 1 in 10 odds of you earning at least €1 million within 18 years in your favor. Now, these confirmed odds documented from a 2.5-year focused research to provide the publishers, distributors, participating stakeholders, investors, purchasers of goods and services, regardless of their value, consistent annual revenue of at least 30% return on their investment. Now, I just want to explain a little bit about the risk threshold. The report has an insignificant risk threshold when applied as recommended for business owners, purchasers of products and services, traders and or asset managers. The report can be used by any business owner, Forex commodity and stock trader. It's not business startups and or trading financial instruments that has insignificant risk threshold. It is the indicator that chooses to minimize business startup or trading risk by becoming part of a consumer traffic cooperative syndicate. If you'd like to contact us, our head office is Global Receive Gateway, the Crescent Building, Northwood Santry in Dublin, and you can telephone us on 01 89 34 180. Our email address is info@globalreceivegateway.com, or you can visit us on our website at www.globalreceivegateway.com.